Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brian and Dan's 2018 Banana Bread Bake-Off. Today, what day is it today?
September 10th.
Yeah, but what's the day that...
Judgment Day.
Today is Judgment Day. And I gotta say, Dan Rubnitz could not be happier. Is that right?
The response has been spectacular. I can't believe it. How many loaves?
I think we got 54 loaves of banana bread turned in today. I think you can see them in there. We're still getting set up here, but the judging is going to happen soon. I got Lynn from Icing on the Cake sitting over here outside of the shot, and I've got Nick Difu from Nick's Next Door, and I got the banana bread. Come over here, don't back away.
Oh, sorry.
I got Dan Rubnitz, the banana bread connoisseur. And he couldn't be more excited. He is having his day in heaven today.
I've been exercising all week just in anticipation of this because I'm going to be eating about 50 slices of banana bread, you say? So we're ready to go.
He wanted it. He got it. 50 plus slices of banana bread that he gets to taste today. Hey, we want to give a shout out to the people that are helping us out. Again, Icing on the Cake, Nick's Next Door, Dolce, Spazio, all here in Los Gatos. We're at Nick's Next Door today. He's been super nice in accommodating us, and they've all been super nice to give us their time, so thank you to them. Thank you also to all of the people that participated. I know you saw it on Facebook, and you saw it online, and you saw it in the newspaper, and we put posters up here in Los Gatos, and we just want to say thank you to everybody that took the time to bake and come in and do this. You guys are awesome. We're Brian and Dan Real Estate Team, www.briananddan.com. I'm going to say it again.
www.briananddan.com.
Thank you very much. We're at Sereno Group. If you have any questions, you can find us at www.briananddan.com. And pretty soon the judging's going to start, so we're good to go. Yeah, thanks.
All right.
So Nick Difu from Nick's Next Door was asking the question, Brian, go out and ask everybody, did they cook their bananas before they made the banana bread? So the question is, do you use raw bananas to make your banana bread, or do you use cooked bananas to make your banana bread? And honestly, I never heard of cooking bananas before putting it in the banana bread, so I think that's a little bit of professional insider information that's coming from an insider who is an accomplished chef. You might want to think about cooking your bananas before making your banana bread. I don't know how long, I don't know in what method, but that's just a little heads up from Nick. Okay, cheers, thanks. Carolyn, McKenna, and Daisy. So it's a family affair here in Los Gatos at the 2018 Banana Bread Bake-Off. Thank you guys for being here. We really appreciate it. Should have gone with the Mexican Dolce de Leche instead of the Argentinian Dolce de Leche.
That's right. Viva Mexico.
This is stressful.
It is.
Carol Harget used to own Dolce Spazio's, which used to be on Main Street, now on North Santa Cruz Avenue, and still is there working, so you can still see her there.
16.
Haley, did you help your mom bake banana bread?
Unfortunately, no. Today I was at school, so I couldn't help make the banana bread, but I would have loved to.
Couldn't you have gotten up a little early this morning and helped out, like maybe 5:30?
I could have, but I don't like to get up early. Thank you.
And did you have any special ingredients?
No special ingredients. I just tried sifting the flour beforehand, make it a little bit lighter.
Okay.
And I thought I'd see how that went. And
yeah.
That's about it.
This is Lynn Magnoli from Icing on the Cake. She was kind enough to come in and help us judge. Lynn, what's one of the most important things that you're looking for today?
I'm looking for depth. I'm looking for depth of flavor, banana, if there's a little spice, something in there. if it's, I want flavor.
Yeah.
I want flavor.
And depth of flavor. I really like the way that you
and
described
depth of
that.
flavor, because you can taste banana and it's like cake, but you want it to go deep where you're now. Once you're done tasting it, it's still in there, and you're going, oh, that tastes, you know, depth of flavor.
Yeah. The banana bread champion for the 2018 Brian and Dan's Banana Bread Bake-Off. Drum roll, please. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, our first, and we were going to give a first place and 2 second places was the plan. And we have those picked out, but we're also going to give an honorary mention because she just did such a wonderful job helping us to promote the thing by, one, having her dogs eat her first attempt and posting that on Facebook with the dogs who had signs on them, and then also providing such a wonderful packaging here. It says Brian and Dan's 2018 Banana Bread Bake-Off in a ceramic dish, so that gets points. And it was legit. She didn't just get it for the optics. That's right, she was legit. So Jan, would you come on down here, please? Jan, I just want to say thank you very much for participating. We really, everybody give Jan a big hand for runner-up. One of the 2 second place prizes is going to go to Elisa Schweitzer. So let's everybody give Elisa a hand, please. Caitlin Reardon was the second one. Let's give her a hand real quick. She's not here. We'll get her by email or by phone. And the grand champion of the 2018 Banana Bread Bake-Off is Tanya Wiedek. Tanya Wiedek. Oh, Tanya's not here either. We're going to have to let her know. Well, this is what we've got for Tanya. We have also some prizes for the runners-up. We've got the 2018 Brian and Dan's Banana Bread Bake-Off banana trophy that we're going to deliver to Tanya. And I'm so sorry she's not here, but we're going to put this together and we're going to notify her. Thanks to everybody for sticking with us and watching what we did here this year, 2018 Brian and Dan's Banana Bread Bake-Off, www.briananddan.com. Thank you very much.